Heidi ho, campers. Welcome back to another episode of What Did You Buy Now? This is a Qomotop sleeping pad. There's no you, there's only me. Qomotop. Qomotop air mattress. It's hard for me to fall asleep. At home, we last year bought a thick memory foam topper, and I've slept better on that than I've slept in years. My lovely assistant, she doesn't love it as much. It's hard for her to get around on it. For me, it's perfect. When we're car camping, we have Buyers of Maine cots, which are really great cots. But it's uncomfortable. It's too firm for me. We've got, I believe it's Best Top mattresses, which are pretty good, but it's still too firm even with those. You know, we've been looking for something softer, but a little cheaper than memory foam maybe. Oh, hello, hummingbird. You can't see him. He's right behind you. Shh. He's feeding on my flowers. Where were we? The cot. And also we've thought about maybe taking a cargo camper and building a trailer, a camper out of it, to our own specifications, and we might use the cots, and if this works, it's perfect. We've looked at time-out motorcycle campers. You tow behind your motorcycle, or even our SUV could tow it. It's a pop-up, and it comes with an air mattress, and regular air mattresses suck. They lose air, or they're too firm, or they're not comfortable. They suck. I've been online reading and talking to people, other campers and bike campers, time-out owners. And this is the name that comes up most often. They've disappeared from Amazon for some reason right now, but we found them on Walmart's website at a decent price. So if they work, it may change my life. We'll find out. First, we've had 5 inches of rain in 48 hours, and the table's damp, so it's not enough to really hurt a good air mattress. They're supposed to get wet once in a while, aren't they? Anyway, this is a snug top. No, it's the Cozy, and only other time I've used this so far was working on the motorcycle, because it wouldn't start, and I was at a campground and I had to climb on the ground. This was perfect to keep me from getting all muddy. So, nice little, this was an Amazon bargain buy, couple dollars, and it paid for itself just keeping me out of the mud. Let's see. And this, I mean, it's bigger than your regular self-inflating air mattress, but it would fit on my motorcycle with the cot and the tent if I decide to go that way. And the bag is supposed to be oh yeah, there's your nozzle. You can blow up with the bag. I've got the roll down top. Smart enough how to operate it. There's some directions sewn onto the bag. We don't need no stinking instructions. He said, realizing the folly of his ways. Inflation. Open and close. Turn the foot valve side to inflation. Flatten out the pad as below diagram. Inflation side allows air in but no air out. Close the cap when you're done. So look at that neat little. So this isn't a little cheapy. There's the bottom, your typical. And this is, I mean, this is not memory foam inside here, and it's fairly thick by itself. Let's roll it out, flip it over. Here's your straps. So, we'll open and a little yellow thing there. It flips over. Look at that. So, we're going to let it inflate. And this is actually longer than my mat here even. So we got two of these, one for each cot. They're bigger than normal, which is good because our cots are bigger than normal. I'm bigger than normal. And you can hear the air going in. I'm going to give it a few minutes. If I get impatient, I'll use the schnozzle. It's Velcros. And pump it up a little extra. I doubt I want it fully inflated because I want it a little softer, a little bit softer now, a little bit softer now. We'll let it air up. See how it goes. If this thing stops. Maybe I turned it over too soon. You can see it's airing up. So don't go away. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm getting impatient. It's airing up, but I'm old and I have things to do. So, schnozzle bag. What you do is you hook up your schnozzle. I have one of these for my Amok or More, the mattress for my Amok or More hammock, and they're awesome. So you do this, you catch a little air, and then you just roll. Look at that. This actually holds more. This holds a lot of air in the bag, so it should only take a couple. Yeah, I'll read the paper someday. Look at that, 2 tries, and we're half full already. And it's supposed to fill up on its own after like 10 minutes or something, but it's cold. It's 40 degrees. And I have things to see, people to do. Impressed with the bag, the schnozzle bag. It works, like I said, it actually works better than the expensive Jamuk thingy. Rounded corners. What do you think? One more? And we'll give it one more so we can see it more fully inflated. I think 4 should do it. Of course, these aren't full bag pools. This up here. That's good, especially if it's gonna rain. Unsnozzle. Just rip it off here. Close fully. Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling the raindrops now. You feel them? Are they landing on you? Okay, we'll hurry. Ooh, it's soft. Let's give it a try. It's not fully inflated, but it's... Oh. Okay, this is soft. This is soft. And I'm normally a side sleeper. So, I think I found the answer to my sleep problems while I'm camping. This is awesome. And this is probably the proper inflation level, because you can see with my weight, it's filled up. This is, I'm happy. Or I hope I'm going to be happy once I'm on the trail. Very nice. Soft, velvety top. Yeah. You know, before I started doing this, I was going to work on the motorcycle. I'm glad I didn't, because I'd be caught trying to wrap that up in the rain. This will be easier to wrap up. The hard part will be... here I go. Here I go. Ooh, dummy. Okay, I'm sitting out back. There's boot prints on my mattress. Anyway, the hard part will be getting this inside and keeping the cats off of it. But this is a winner, y'all. So, Qomotop without a U, no U. I'm happy. Thank you to anyone who suggested it. And I appreciate your helpful comments. And now, let's go get out of the rain. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Bye!